What's going on, everyone? We're going to see if we can catch a little power hour trade here. So coming off that big drop before the last time I got off stream, we kind of bounced a little bit. We got over the 5 SMA, kind of talked about that before I got off stream. Beautiful 20 SMA trade here, 11:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Beautiful little hammer candle, closes over the 20 SMA. Now we're kind of back testing and holding this support here. So if we do get under 24,600, that was an area that I was looking at last time. I don't know if you guys tuned into the stream a couple hours ago, but this is right around the area over here that we were looking at, right? We broke through that 600 area and we had a fantastic freaking washout. I mean, 150 point washout, and then we kind of bounced back up to the upside here. So now what I'm looking at is we are putting in lower highs. Okay, so we're putting in lower highs and we're consolidating at this linear regression. If anything, to me it looks like a little bit of a short pattern here. So we are breaking through this VWAP. I am getting short here, just looking for a quick little scalp. You know, if I can pick up between 5 to 10 points on this little bit of a scalp here, I will definitely take profits. Now I have to keep an eye on this support here at 24,602 because we could bounce back up. So if we do bounce back up, I'll give this, you know, probably 15, 16 points or so and see if that wants to work. We do have a little bit of profits to kind of play with here, currently sitting up $1,002.95. But mainly I did jump on here because I'm testing something with the back end settings on the stream. I noticed the previous stream there was a little bit of a lag, so I changed some settings and I just wanted to get on here and maybe do, you know, 10-15 minutes and then kind of watch this back for my own clarity and see, you know, did the settings that I changed help at all, or did it just not do anything? So we'll see here. I think it should be running just a little bit better. But we'll have to see, right? We'll definitely see. Market's not really doing too much here. I do have a lot of supply ahead. 24,612 and 24,620. I want to see us stay under that. As long as we can stay under that, I'm comfortable holding this short. Again, just looking for a quick little scalp. Always, you know, during power hour, later on times in the day when market can be a little bit more choppier, you do have to be a little bit more patient as things are going to need a little bit more time to kind of play themselves out. Current ATR on the 5-minute time frame is 28. So currently up about 3.5 points here. Just looking for a little bit of a pop down here. Just a little bit more of a pop down. 4 points here, you know, give or take. There's 4.5 I see. And I'd like to see just a little bit more, closer to 5 points plus. But we'll see here. And I'm out. That's 6 points and a quarter there. So 6 points and a quarter on 4 micros. Again, thought process behind this trade, we got rejected at my linear regression. Look at the top wicks here. Top wick, top wick, top wick. We started to roll over. As soon as we lost this 50 SMA and we got below this 10 SMA, I went short. So getting short here in this area, popping down through this 50 EMA was my guideline. This does have support at 24,578. So could it go down there? Maybe, I don't know. Again, guys, just wanted to pop back on here very, very quickly to kind of test some stream settings that I have. So this wasn't supposed to be a full-on stream. Again, I'm going to get this uploaded and see if the changes I made did anything. Again, stay safe, guys. Again, if you're going to continue to trade in power hours, stay safe. Apex 80% off, $85 activation fees right now using code DEEANTHONY. Daytraders.com is 90% off using code DEEANTHONY as well.